This packing machine made by Zhengzhou Renshang Machinery, which is suitable for different powder material. Customers can achieve one-stop shopping in Zhengzhou Renshang Machinery. We can also provide roll film and design. This is the puffed snack food made by Zhengzhou Renshang Machinery. 2. This packing machine of Renshang brand can be weighing automatic. Before packing, the weight can be adjustable. This packing machine can also add a package device, easy tear opening, date coding and other functions that customers want. Welcome to contact us and discuss more about our snack food production line. Zhengzhou Renshang Machinery also have green crusher machine, mixer machine, snack food machine, seasoning machine and so on.